This is our third 5-star hotel in Thailand. We saved the best one for the last. Hello everyone, let me just start with saying that I am so excited. I'm so excited. This is our third 5-star hotel in Thailand and we saved the best one for the last. I am so excited. Just look in which floor we're at. This says 3104. The guy, when he opened the door, I was impressed. He got me just by opening the door. Like, I am super excited. Like, I'm shaking. By the way, the whole place gives like a millionaire vibe. All right, let's start. So this is the huge door, okay? And you have this whole round, like an area here. And to my right is the bar, and on my left is the bathroom. A sliding door. So as you walk in, you have a small storage area, a huge wall mirror. You have a toilet. There's just a separate toilet here. This was the bathroom, like this small toilet once you enter. And to my right hand side is the bar. Look at that. As you open it, it already feels luxurious. To the left, we have the coffee station. Look at the tea. Longan green tea? Never had that. This is my favorite fruit, by the way. And we also have mangosteen tea. Never heard of that before either. On the other side, we have a whole bar with all kind of glasses, all kind of drinks that you want to make. They have all the whiskey, I see vodka, and what is this thing? Oh, this is the Thailand special alcohol, Singa. Yeah, some soda and some beer. Storage here. I don't know who would bring so much stuff because this whole place is filled with just storage. All right, let's open the fridge. Look at that. We got some complimentary cakes. If these are not the cutest cake on earth, I don't know what is. Look at the baby elephant and a flower and a pot with some dessert in it. That's how it looks like. So these are all the cakes. Look at the detailing on the baby elephant. So while booking, they asked like if we have any occasion that we're celebrating here. And I was like, what is the closest occasion we have? Both of our birthdays are far apart. And I was like, you know what? We just had our 9th anniversary a month ago. So I was like, yeah, they asked. So like, yeah, it's our 9th anniversary. I said that. And look at that. They got us a cake for anniversary. The leaf is also edible. We also have 3 wines. Will not be drinking any alcohol because I want all my senses to be as awake as possible for the time I'm here because we're only here for 1 night. Tushar almost said that this is too expensive. 3 nights in here you can get the new iPhone, but I'm like, no, I want to do this. I want to do this for the experience. So we're here now, but we do have complimentary happy hour. But we'll still not be drinking because I want to be on my senses. All right, let's go. Now it's time to take you guys to the living room.
Have this TV area, the console area, and then they all have like Bose speakers, so which is pretty good. We have like a light right here, and then it was already wobbly. All right, let me put it back. It was like this. Yeah, it's like a cover. Okay. So you have like a big lamp right by the TV. And then we have like this couch area. So this is kind of like a living room. So I don't know how like we got upgraded again. So I'm not sure like what's going on like with all the upgrades. Like we're getting like free upgrades. So these are third upgrade out of four hotels in Thailand. We got upgraded to 1 tier. So the one we booked didn't have this living space, but this one does. So we have this couch area right here. We have this like a little table, coffee table, and cool thing about there's like a little detailing thing. So all the remotes and everything for the speaker and the TV, they have this like a box thing that says the name of the hotel, and then you can see like the remotes are there. On the other side of the living room, we have this dining area, so we can have a dinner. Right beside the couch, they have this kind of like a console table with all these books. It looks cool. We do have like a real plant here, orchid, I believe. Inside the living room, we have like a balcony area, so you can pretty much see the whole Bangkok, I believe, like the city vibe. So if you come in, we have this huge, like a, what is this, like a bed kind of thing? So like a balcony bed, like you can lay down and watch the view, sunset, sunrise, whatever you choose. And then we have like a sitting area right here. But yeah, from here you can see the whole Bangkok. Like you can see probably the city life of Bangkok. High-story building right here from here. Come on in again. Right before entering to the living room, you have this hallway space, like a narrow hallway space, just for like leaving your luggage and everything. This is like a vanity mirror, like to do your makeup. Whole wall on this side is mirror as well, so you can check like your outfit. We thought this is just like a wooden decoration or something. This is storage as well. So you get this 2-row slippers and then the basket for the laundry, like a safe. I never seen a safe like this. It's like upside down, like this tote bag. I'm not sure if we can take it. I think you can. Available for is during, it's only during a stay, but you can buy it with 650 baht. This for the hanger, I believe, right?
What is this thing?
I'm not sure what is this. I can ask ChatGPT about this. All the hotels we've been, we always seen the manual, like the sign you put it on the door. But you can, this is like, you can see, I can put it there. So this is like a smart control for the room, for the whole suite. And
Never seen anything like
yeah, and then on this side you have all this light control.
To see the bedroom, like how nice and cute the bedroom is. At the huge bedroom. This is our king size bed. As I told you guys earlier, I told them it was our 9th anniversary. So that's what they did, the little arrangement for us. Some balloons and a card. And a card, what does the card say? Happy anniversary, wishing you both all the love and happiness today and forever. Happy anniversary with love from 137 pillars. How cute is this? It's an elephant card again. Also got us a real flower with a little bow on it. Again, the elephant-based lamp. Console table. I don't think you can sit on it, but there are more storage down there. And there is, right by the television, there is another mirror. Like if you need mirrors, like there's not enough mirrors already, you have another mirror by the bed, by the TV. The lamp and also a bedside table. A small table, we already put our stuff there. The little remote holder. Never seen anything like that. I legit thought it was a book. But that is so awesome. For decluttering, like I'm definitely gonna try to look for something like that when I go home. Like this is so cool, like for decluttering and stuff. Table, we have this nice chair if you just want to sit down here and relax. Like, yeah, so cute, so nice. Alright, room. Look at the handles, like they're wooden, like solid handles. Alright, let me open. 1:30 p.m. right now. The sun is up. We are so lucky with the weather. We've been so lucky with the weather so far. Look, from the bed you can see the whole Bangkok city. Like, how beautiful is this? Like, what else can you ask for? Scream luxury in here. Like, literally everything screams luxury. I cannot even stop to tell you guys how luxurious this place is. All right, now, last but not the least, one of the most exciting part about this suite is the bathroom. I'm gonna open the blind. I wish the whole blind would just go up. So from here, you can see the standing shower. I'm gonna open the door to the bathroom. All right. Another control panel just for the bathroom. Just for the bathroom light and temperature and whatever. All right, if you come in, for the sink, you have two sinks. Two sinks, we get some water, we get some real flour, real dried flowers. And we have some amenities right here. We have our makeup mirror right here. Oh my God, this is the this is the scale again. The whole thing is made up of corn husk, like this right here. The whole thing. It's like organic thing. All right, let me open it. How cute is this? Oh yeah, they have all the stuff like your brush. What is this? Comb. Oh my God, they got a comb. I have never seen a comb anywhere. And all the other little things like makeup wipes. You got razor, toothpaste, sanitary bag, sewing kit. What is this? Cotton buds. Yeah, makeup remover. So all the little things that you might need. Add this, one of the main attraction, the bathtub. Like the huge bathtub. Like on our previous hotel, the bathtub was outside. I couldn't use it because it has all the little bugs which just crawl inside. But look at that, inside the bathroom, there is this huge bathtub. Definitely gonna use it. It already feels so nice. I can't wait to use it. And look at that, while you were laying down in here, you have a TV. Like if 2 TVs were not enough for 2 people, there's the third TV. You sit right here and you enjoy your shower and watch television.
So not the other interesting part. This is the most interesting part of this suite. I didn't know like you can have something like this beside Japan, because I've been seeing all the Japan vlogs, like they have this. This is their attraction, like everyone talks about it. So look at this. Once you open the door, this automatically sanitizes the whole toilet for you. It's a sensor. And then you have this remote that you normally see for like videos in Japan, right? Like you have this remote that you can do everything that it says. And then, so right now this is open, so you can close it by this. Like, so you have this, but you have this switch. So it's opening it, then I can close it as well, right? And then I'll be using all these, right? So I'm pretty excited, like, because I didn't know like you can have this beside Japan, like, because I've seen videos like people talk about it for Japan, right? It's cool. This is like technology, like in another level. So yeah, I'm pretty excited to use this. This was a surprising thing. Seeing this here in Bangkok, like I didn't know like they have this kind of thing. Overall, this was surprisingly luxurious, right? So overall, feeling is pretty good. We're staying on the 31st floor, which was like a huge plus. I didn't know like we'll be staying on the 31st floor. It doesn't really say when we booked. So, but like when the hotel guy pressed the 31st floor, I was excited already for that. And then yeah, all the views, all the space you have in this suite and all the amenities that comes with it is pretty exciting. It was like when coming into the hotel, the road was really narrow. So we've been sitting on that no road for like 10 minutes, right? So I was like, I don't know like how spacious this place is. I know it is 5-star, but like I wasn't sure about it. But yeah, this is a pretty cool place to stay if you want to experience something luxurious. It's pretty cool. Yeah, but you have to pay the money. So this is like expensive as well for us. So, but yeah, overall to have an experience like this is amazing already. So yeah, we'll be staying here for one night before leaving back to our home.